We are into the second week of the Conditional Movement Control Order (CMCO) in the Klang Valley. There has been a lot of confusion given the lack of clarity regarding the SOP and work-from-home directives. These are no laughing matters, they are impacting the livelihood of millions of people in the Klang Valley. Although it has been 8 months since the start of the Movement Control Order, we have yet to see a clear explanation of the government's strategy in dealing with this crisis and growing the economy. Instead, we are witnessing conflicting guidelines and SOP, not to mention double standards when it comes to implementation. The recent work-from-home directives make no sense as it only requires management-level staff to stay at home, whereas those at operational levels, which consists mainly of lower-income groups, are told to work as usual. How does this help public health measures, at the expense of blue-collar workers? The last-minute changes, such as suddenly stating that the directive only applies to public sector workers, and those under MIDI do not only waste people's time, but cause unnecessary stress and anxiety during an already difficult period. We need a government that is transparent and forthcoming with information and policies that are well thought through during this crisis. It does not instill confidence both domestically and amongst foreign investors, when important statements are made without proper follow-through and clarification. It is also worth noting that although the government has said that economic activities will be allowed to be carried out, the latest guidelines will definitely impact on businesses, especially those already struggling in the retail sector. According to Retail Group Malaysia (RGM), approximately 51,000 retail stores in the country, representing 15% of the total industry supply, will not be able to cope beyond the next 4 to 5 months amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. I reiterate my call to the government to reinstate the loan moratorium. This should last at least for the next several months to help businesses and individuals to cope with the impact of this prolonged crisis, and prevent more job losses and businesses going bust. The government must show firm leadership by extending the moratorium for another 3 months, as the economy has yet to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic amid the spike in new cases. Additional measures are required to keep small businesses afloat, and wages flowing to workers until MCO ends. It is indeed telling that the government has been silent on protecting the lower income groups, and instead focus on protecting large corporations. Anwar Ibrahim.